is in a artists-run space in Guadalajara. I cut it out, this number. In that week I was reading in the newspaper that if we really would stand together on the world, we could overcome poverty in 2071. And here, Geburtsort ist Zufall. Is it understandable for Dutch? Where you are born is coincidence. And fits together, and this would like to say to younger artists here, even if I said in art you wait till you are picked, but in the first 20 years of your working, I would suggest do as much yourself. Or even me, my first exhibition was in a room of a student which studied with me, and then I did something he exhibited in my room, but maybe I don't have to say that to Dutch artists. You are already very active. And this is the first installation of Homo sapiens sapiens. Some stills. And the images themselves on the computer looked in the church totally, we had to squeeze them and to twist them. They looked very amorph to become square again because of the distortion of the roundness. And what I liked is that you don't see where it begins, because it goes behind this bell. And I tried here also to do it, but of course it's not possible to be so big that you don't see where it starts. The projector we hanged behind such mirrors, hanged in the air, and my wish was that the machines themselves almost don't intrude or are not visible. And here a model in the studio. So we always work with models. Also the Lungenflügel, the Triptychon here, we build up in half the size in the studio, and then to come closer. And here we had a small model to make checks of the church. And then we had a big screen in the studio, and we put the editing table as close to the screen in relation how it would look afterwards, to have already a sense of the speed of the image. That have been the possibilities to lay. The heads of the spectators were connected to each other. This is a still of then other permanent work, collaboration with Carlos Martinez, an architect I know from school. They asked, it was a competition, but we didn't want to win. we only, the guy who invited us was really nice, he's a nice guy. And we felt very free what we proposed, and were very astonished that they dared to take it and even realize it in 19 months. The basic concept is that it's like a carpet taken from interior, from the inside, and pretend that the outside room is a living room. And so it has seating possibilities and fountains and other things, and just everything is covered with this red tartan. It looks like snow, red snow went over everything. And it was a place nobody went before, and now it's always full of people. So then also here is the car you will see, and then the furniture here is round, the furniture there becomes more rectangular, so what it needs, here is the synagogue. So we adopted the forms to what is needed where. And also, now we made this now better here, but there was when we did the installation, a car was there, and the car, we waited till the car goes away, but he never came, so we had to overdo it. And then in the evening, always a lot of young people come, and when you walk over it, it's very soft. So that gives immediately the subconscious feeling you are welcome, it's your place, be here. It's in St. Gallen, which is my hometown. I myself come from the countryside. And this is the positive form of the lamp. Also the lamp should look like an interior lamp, like a living room lamp. It was in styropor, and then put it over with polyester, and now I have this in my garden instead of destroying. The wordplay, Achterbahn, means in German Helter Skelter. It was a group show in Zurich, and my contribution together with Thomas Riener was that we changed all the sentences. Normally, do not lean out and all these things. For example, here, please merken, was heißt auf English? Please note all the words you hear in the tram and repeat them before you sleep. Or here, please giggle the whole time in the tram. This is for sure influenced by living theater of Brazil from the 60s to make extreme overlapping of poetry, theater, and daily life. Or here, please count all the light blue cars. Or the tram. Or one sentence was, please push the button and my heart will explode. And here is a installation, only the bottle, the etiquette, 3 bottles, there and there, and one over there. The etiquette is sand gestrahlt, and the projector is in the back room. And the whole architecture, like this, is made by Gabriele Hechler, the one who played the police woman in Every's Overall. So there's and it's in the mountains. When you go to Engadin, it's in a bar in a hotel. So you see